Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're diving into something special. The 2025 Dodge Campervan Motorhome. A versatile new entry in the camper world that's ready to redefine your travel experience. This campervan combines Dodge's rugged reputation with the comfort and practicality you'd expect in a motorhome, making it a top choice for road trippers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Starting with the design, Dodge has taken a modern approach with this campervan, focusing on clean lines and functionality. The exterior is sleek yet robust, featuring LED headlights and a rugged front grille, giving it that distinct Dodge look. It's compact enough to navigate tight spaces yet spacious inside, so it's ideal for both city drives and off-the-grid adventures. Now let's step inside. The interior is all about maximizing space and comfort. Dodge has implemented a highly functional layout with a kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a surprisingly spacious bathroom, a rare feature in campervans of this size. The seating is designed with premium materials, offering an extra level of comfort for those long journeys. The storage is also cleverly integrated, making sure you have room for all your travel essentials without feeling cramped. On the tech front, Dodge has included a full suite of smart features to make your journey as smooth as possible. The infotainment system offers a large touchscreen that connects to your devices seamlessly, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and even climate controls right at your fingertips. There's also integrated Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected even when you're miles away from civilization. Under the hood, Dodge offers a powerful yet efficient engine that balances performance with fuel economy. It's designed to handle various terrains, so whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on a rocky trail, this campervan can keep up. The fuel efficiency is impressive for its class, which means fewer stops at the gas station and more time enjoying the journey. One of the standout features of this model is the solar power option. You can charge up while parked in the sun, giving you the freedom to go off-grid without sacrificing power. This feature makes it a fantastic choice for eco-conscious travelers looking to reduce their carbon footprint on the road. The starting price for the 2025 Dodge Campervan Motorhome comes in at around $85,000, which is competitive given its features and versatility. Thanks for joining Auto Insider for today's look at the 2025 Dodge Campervan Motorhome. Be sure to tune in tomorrow, where we'll highlight another key feature to keep the excitement going. And stick around for our next car review. We've got another exciting model to share with you soon.